ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Matapos ngang risbakan ni Robby Domingo, ang isang nagpakilang fan ni Bel Mariano ay umani ito ng samut-saring reaksyon ng mga netizens. May ilang supporters nga ni Bel ang talagang nagpahayag nga ng pagkadismaya sa ginawa nga ni Robby. Marami ring nagsasabi na sana umano ay pinak-check muna ni Robby bago ito nagkomento. Marami ngang nadismaya dahil sa ginawa ni Robby at sana umano ay nag-react wisely si Robby tungkol dito. Ayon nga dito sa kanya, "Hi Sir Robby Domingo, you should have reacted wisely. You know Belinda well, right? I hope you know which comment is accurate and resemble the artist too. And yes, as a true friend, please do something to lessen the drama. And yes, we love Don Bell." Lesson learned, fact check muna before you click. The damage has been done. Pulutan na naman si Belle ng bashing. But I know God will always protect her and let karma do their work. Kaya naman pala burahin, bakit pinatulan pa ngayon nadadamay nababash ang isang inosenteng babae na di naman kasali dito sa show. At ayon naman dito kay Tinky Nuts, FYI, professional and may pinag-aralan mga Belle fans at Don Bell fans. Sobrang obvious na troll yon at basher ni Belle na nagpapanggap na fan ni Belle. Tapusin ni Robby ang sinimulan niya at demanda niya ang troll na yon. Maraming rin sa Twitter ang napapost nga patungkol nga sa ginawa o pag-react nga ni Robby sa naturang troll. May ilang account ka sa Twitter na gustong magpa-trend na let Robby Domingo be held accountable for what he did. Total, drinag niya na lang din naman name ni Belle, sinimulan niya diba tapusin niya dapat. Ngunit ayon nga sa mga officials at admin nga ng Don Bell Official, ng Bell Believers Official ay wag nang patulan dahil babalik at babalik pa rin ang bashings kay Belle. At sa naturang post nga ni Robby, at sana mabasa ito ni Robby na kung saan may nag-comment nga patungkol sa kanyang ginawa na ayon nga dito sa kanya, "Kuya Robby, I hope you push through with tracking that account. Your reply caused chaos, especially for Belle. I hope you realize that the account is a troll pretending to be a fan. We, her real fans, do not have that kind of mindset. Belle Mariano has set our standards high with her kindness and humility. We reflect her values because we truly support her. She does not engage in drama and neither we do. I hope you are more cautious, especially since you are also her friend. Your words hold weight and people twist them to create unnecessary issues. Some tabloids have already made content out of your reply, adding more fuel to the fire. The real victim here is Belle. She is not involved in any issue, yet people keep dragging her name. She remains kind and professional, but others continue to create problems around her. Imagine how unfair this is for her. She does nothing wrong, yet she is the one facing backlash. People take advantage of her silence and twist narratives that should never exist in the first place. If you can trace that account, please do so. Shows like that only exist to create division and drama. They do not represent Belle's real fans and they should not be given any attention. We stand behind Belle, supporting her with respect and positivity. We do not engage in baseless fights because she has taught us better. She deserves peace, not unnecessary controversies. This is not just about fandom wars, it affects her personally. At ang naturang pag-reply nga ni Donnie sa nasabing basher o troll ay dinilit na nga nito sa ngayon. Marahil nga ay nag-uusap na at nagsusorry na sa isa't isa si Belle at si Robby dahil nga sa di mapigilan na reaksyon nga ng ilang mga netizens. Kayo mga ka-trending, anong opinion nyo at reaksyon nyo tungkol dito? I-comment na. Hanggang dito na lang, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panonood.